Hello, this is Lou from ENORMIS Mobile Specialties in Erie, Pennsylvania. Today we have a 2015 Chevy Silverado LT Work Truck. We added a reverse camera to the factory 4.2-inch display. This is for an East Erie Contractor who wanted to save a little bit of time and drive a little bit safer. So we ended up ordering all the parts for the vehicle. We arranged for the client to drop the vehicle off for the day. Our MECP certified technician Art Dougan performed the installation using only factory GM tailgate handle and camera. He then programmed this factory 4.2-inch screen to work with the camera. And what's even better is that since we did program all the factory settings with our GM computer that we have, we're able to show the reverse guidelines actually moving with steering wheel input. This definitely allows our client to back up to his trailers with precise accuracy, and this definitely cuts down on time. And of course, you've got the safety aspect of being able to see what's behind the vehicle. We are a shop located in Northwest Pennsylvania. If you are within a 2-hour drive of our shop, we encourage you to contact us. We have no parts to ship anyone. We do need the vehicle in order to do this installation. Thanks for watching.